Such a bright and sunny day. Welcome to day 2. I'd like to congratulate you if you made it this far. 24 hours is not something easy, and without to granda kumbirira maoko because ukavunza kumana wemogo vanokuudza kuti chikara chinorwadza zvakaita sei. Chikara chakashata baba. 10 minutes chaidzoka unogona kutodzitadza. So if you've made it this far, well done. If you're joining us today, please let's move. Let's get moving. I've decided to ask our addict, Ambo, to send a video just to show us how he's feeling today and how he's been feeling for the past 24 hours. So he sent us a video, so let's watch that video. Good morning. Day 2, and I feel a lot better today. I won't lie to you, yesterday was very difficult for me. Getting past the first 24 hours was very difficult, but I'm here and I'm starting to feel a little bit lighter, starting to feel a little bit happy. Yesterday I had serious cravings, even at time in the morning. I didn't know what to do. The first thing I would do probably when I wake up is light a cigarette and then go out to the store, get some weed, get some booze, you know, like chop it off with the lean and maybe get some pills. But it's different now, and it's starting to feel different. It's different. And yeah. Pushing for day 30. Let's go. It's wonderful. That is beautiful. That is excellent. That is excellent. So you can see within 24 hours, I'm starting to feel different. Yes, you get the cravings. Yes, you feel some type of way here and there, but it changes, even in your energy and in your mood. I'm sure Nezuro, when you saw up at day 1, he wasn't even talking. The man wasn't even talking. So drugs, when you think about drugs and addiction, people only think about substances. But what I would like to refer to it as, drugs are an ecosystem. Addiction is an ecosystem. It builds a world around you. You might be a drinker or a smoker, but you realize before you drink, there are certain friends that you call, or certain friends that call. There are certain places that you go. Until a point where just seeing a street can trigger you. Just seeing a certain person can trigger you. That is the world that drugs build around us. And that's the world that we want to break. When you hear me talking about people, places, and things, it's exactly what I'm talking about. One of the hardest things for me to do was to realize that I almost died last year because of my alcoholism. I'll be honest with you, I almost died. It got so extreme to the point where everyone was worried. Everyone that was far away from me was worried. But what I can tell you is my inner circle was okay. They were okay. My inner circle was good with everything that I was doing. My inner circle was listening to the instructions that I was giving them. My inner circle, so with the people that were around me, were watching me die, smiling at me on the way out. Look at the people that are around you 24/7 now. You realize that sometimes you actually push away the people that care about you the most. Sometimes maybe you even have a wife or you have parents. They'll be calling you, come back home. Stay away from these people. You won't listen. You'd rather be in the B&B. You'd rather be a base. You'd rather be a bridge. Because you think it's gang. You think it's gang. You know, I came here to break that mindset. You think it's gang. Babaga. You know, let me tell you the truth. I've been to hospital. Last year I went to hospital for more than 15 times. That's the only time that I stopped drinking alcohol, when I was in hospital. I went 15 times. My arms are not majekisene. The carpet and I could set it when the pain was unbearable. I had pancreatitis, I liver cirrhosis, all kinds of things. But in the poor shit, the moment I'd feel better, I would have niggas waiting for me outside to go and drink again. My friend, harsh reality comes the day when you are now in Jaws. Let me tell you the harsh reality that came to me. Baba, apana mungu akambokwira bus. Pakumana wangu is, I want to help you. I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you because you think you're friends and you think it's gang. Bus zilikuwa ya Jaws are at $30, my G. Apana, none of those day ones. I can decide out. Never quit a buzz and mujaya. Is he okay? Is he healthy? is he safe? None of them. But it can be yelling now, gang, when things are okay. But when I was at the lowest point of my life, nah. But you always used to see us alive, baby. You always used to see us takawanda. I'm not projecting. I want you to understand, I'm not projecting. I'm not bitter. I'm happier now that I'm by myself. So it's not like I'm projecting. No. I'm trying to help you because you don't know how to bitter. Because you think it's ride and die. Nah, my G, it's time to cut off some people. That's today's lesson. It's time to remove that world that drugs have created around you. Brother, the right brothers will tell you this is not right. I want you to cut off those people. You don't need them, man. I need you to pick up your phone today. And I need you to say, Maya, man. And what if they brought in for me in this life? Nothing. I'm going to show you two animals. I'm going to show you a lion, and then I'm going to show you a cat. Both of them are cats, right? But which one is more powerful? Which one is mightier? Which one is stronger? Which one is more respected? Which one has aura? It's the lion, right? It's the king of the jungle, right? But which one is more free? Which one has freedom? Which one receives more love from the people? Which one is more accepted? Where am I going with that one? Let me tell you something. Young girl, you're very powerful, very beautiful. You're very talented. You're very skilled. But your inability to control your appetite, your inability to control your cravings is what's going to keep you caged for a very long time. It's what's going to keep all those talents hidden, all that beauty suppressed, all that skill. How many degreed people are on the streets smoking weed? Don't even tell me about no unemployment. I'm not employed. I'm not smoking weed anymore. I'm not employed. Don't let your brain give you excuses, my friend. Don't let your brain give you excuses, my friend. It's not every graduate that is out there smoking weed. No. It's not every depressed person that's using beer to remove that depression. No. Don't let yourself be deceived. Don't let your addiction convince you that so nika drugs. Do we get liver cirrhosis because the country is hard? What happens when the country is better than? Where you gonna get new lungs? Our quads and Madison. Where you gonna get them? From the government. Come on, G. Step up. Lock in and step up. Stop making weird excuses to destroy your own health, to poison your own body. Wake up, G. Lock in. Wake up. Cut them off. Make some new decisions. We no longer have time, gents. We no longer have time. From tomorrow, I'm going to be a little bit aggressive on this program. I have to clean a nation. I have to lead the generation. I have to lead the youth towards the right direction. And the right direction is good health. It's sobriety. There's no excuse. You need to be a jacked young man, like a Simba, and my muscles. I focused, I handsome, and I lead the youth, and I lead the family. You be a smart young lady, and my thunder thighs, flat tummy, I focused. Otherwise, ngwere BP boys. Otherwise, I'm not sure I'm going to be. I'm going to be.